They fight here not just for the pride of their manner, but in the ultimate show of one-upmanship. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. This is always a game of consequence.
Well, exhibition match sounds like an easy-ozy game of football, Peter, and a picture-perfect occasion until the word pride gets a mention. And it's likely to have quite a big say between teams that could easily be sucked into an excuse for another feud. Why let an exhibition match get in the way of that? So these two will be going at it very, very strongly.
If you're just joining us, we are already underway. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Oh, look at that. Can he finish? Oh, it's there! He knows it's taken a big and very kind deflection, but he is claiming it nonetheless.
After 12 minutes is number 23.
They have what they wanted, the first breakthrough.
Well, he's certainly happy with that after what's been said in the build-up, you know.
And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. And the score is 1-0. He is through here. He's going for goal. Oh, screamer! About as smooth as it gets. Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
After 18 minutes is number 23.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down. But they'll need to do that pretty quickly. It's composure from here.
He's got tall. Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
And that's been intercepted.
That's great positioning. So good from him.
Gets a good foot in there. And he's managed to get free. Out of play for a throw. He's tried one! Denied by an instinctive save.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Half-time coming up, and little doubt as to which of the two sides is the happier. Spread neatly. That is a brilliant interception. Strong challenge. That could leave a mark. Oh, good read.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Has a shot! A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
Certainly made himself a big nuisance in applying the pressure to force the error.
And it's half-time here. How's the first half compared with your expectation?
Well, they had their opponents reeling in that half, Peter, and the break may influence a change somehow, but don't hold me to it.
Volunteers for each block.
It has
Please
been a
report to the
remarkable
staff room
contest,
immediately.
decorated by goals, and two between them at half-time.
Substitution on the field. Number 9. Number 2.
Here we go
Number
again.
19. Coming on the field.
Well seen, saw that
Number
coming.
10.
That was well
Number
played,
12.
well stopped.
Number 8.
Songkrasin, and that interception was most necessary.
He read that really well and stopped it.
He's in here, and the shot! And what a big... Oh, it's fallen loose again! Surely now they are well and truly out of sight. And they are pulling clear here. Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Look, that's one of the first things you learn, whether you're a striker or not. Just anticipate a goalkeeping parry or spillage, and sometimes you'll get lucky, it'll come your way.
A case now of complete control. And that's really well manoeuvred. He's gone for goal! Just wouldn't stay down for him.
Well, the defence are in a good position to get behind the ball and let them just try from range. Incentive set and incentive met. Now they've got to take it on another level.
And that has been clubbed away.
The attendance for this match was 71,898.
And no, that is pretty much the end of that. He's got away. Well seen, saw that coming.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Driving forward. That's a nicely measured pass. Look at the space here. Tries a shot! And again. Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
His radar picked up on that very quickly, and he was first to react.
Substitutions taking place.
Time then for the first substitution of the game. Could be danger here. He's having a go. And with the goal at his mercy, a dreadful miss.
Unsurprisingly, he's been quick to apologise. If you lean backwards, the results are normally high and wide.
And the pass is intercepted. It's a mighty effort! He has done it! And they are right back within touch!
Yeah, they've only got themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very punishable.
62 minutes is
And it didn't take him long. Just sitting on the bench and waiting moments ago, already he has scored.
That's just as the manager would have seen it, an impact sub.
So, just a consolation, or is there a way back from here? Deftly done. He's played him through. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. He's shifting through the gears here.
Footballing width usually identifies with running room, and we've just seen a prime example.
Strong running down that left flank. And that is it. The referee has seen enough. What a satisfaction.